round to the nearest cent. Write that down. So 6.6666. All right, so the cent, you guys change money, always goes to 2 decimal places. So these 2 are cents, like 50 cents or 52 cents or 66 cents. This is where I want to round to. And so I'm going to look at the number after the 2 decimal places, and it is bigger than 5. And so it's going to round this number up to a 7. I know. Neat. Okay. And then we have 0.4625. Write that down. And it says round to the nearest cent. So again, that's always going to be 2 decimal places. That's always for money. So I go right here. I only care about this number here. And because this number is less than 5, 5 or up rounds up, we leave it as 46, okay? And these still should have a dollar sign on your answer when you round. So 46 cents is rounding correctly. All right. Round to the nearest tenth. So when we count our places, this is the tenths place, and this is the hundredths place, right? There's no once, there's only tenths to the right of the decimal. So round to this spot. So we're going to look at the 2, which is less than 5, and so we keep it as 0.1. Josie? You do not. No. All right, write this down, 12.345. Round to the tenths place. That's right here, 1 decimal place. Round to the tenths place. I'm only going to look at the 4, which is less than 5, and so this stays 12.3. And that would be rounding to the tenths place. Okay, does this 5 or number matter at all? No, doesn't even matter. You don't have to look at it at all. Okay? Whoops. Hold on. Did I get all these? Okay. If the sales tax rate is 6%, then how much sales tax is there on a $3.79 purchase? How much tax? That means we don't add it back. I just want to know the tax. So I have a $3.79 purchase, and we're going to make this a decimal. Raise your hand if you remember how to make this a decimal. Emmy? Kind of, like move it over to the left. Anyone want to tell me what decimal it is? Anusha? Yes. Okay, this is 6%, right? You move it 2 spaces to the left. Be sure you don't do 0.6 because that's 60%, right? 6%. Our decimals happen to line up. We actually don't care that they line up, right? We just kind of line our digits up. So I'm going to multiply just by 6. So 9 times 6 is 54. Carry the 5. And 6 times 7 is 42. Plus the 5 is 47. And carry the 4. And 6 times 3 is 18. Add that 4. So that's 22. And then this tells me to move the decimal 2 places and another 2 places for a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put a 0 in front. Now, we wouldn't want to leave it like this because money is always rounded to the nearest cent. That's why we did that on the first page, right? And so I need to actually go to this second spot. That's where the cents are. Do I round it up or leave it? Yes. Okay, this 7 tells me to round it to 23 cents. You do need a dollar sign. So if I buy something for $3.79 and the tax is 6%, I'm going to pay 23 cents in tax for that item. All right, estimate the product of 6.85 and 4.2 by rounding the numbers to the nearest whole number before multiplying. Everyone, what would I round this to for a whole number? Good. And everyone, what would I round this to? 4. And it says to multiply. So show what you round those to, and then you multiply those, okay? Let's try some white.